Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute walking workout for you. Please just check around your workout space that there's nothing you're going to stand on, trip over or bash into. You only need the space of a fitness mat, so just check that you can just swing your arms forward and back or side to side. Okay, let's do that with the arms. We're going to lift the heels in a jogger's walk, swinging the arms as high as is comfortable for you. So you might have a very little movement here. If you know you're going to struggle to get to the end of the workout, keep it small here. If you're getting quite fit or a little bit fitter, you might want to make that movement a bit bigger, come right up onto the balls of your feet, swing those arms a bit more. But keep the shoulders relaxed. Let's go with some bicep curls instead. So foot movement stays the same. Well done. So working through those feet, make it smaller if you need to. Just concentrate on the arms maybe. Keep those knees moving. Let's take that to a march. So again, you can just have a little low march, or you can make it a bit bigger. Your body, your workout. Try and keep the feet as soft as you can. Well done. Let's take it to 2 side steps. So 2 steps to the side and back. Going to change that in a moment. Just swing the arms gently. Very gentle bicep curl. Well done. Okay, next time on the end, we're going to 2 and march for 4, 3, 2. You need to start the march on the inside leg to be on the right leg to move. So you're going to tap march 2, 3, 4. Side step this leg, march 2, 3, 4. So really testing your brain a little bit here as well as your body. Don't worry if you haven't, just shuffle your feet. Doesn't really matter. But if you want to get it to work to the beat, step, step, tap, march 2, 3, 4. Step, step with a tap, march same leg. Well done. Doing great. Really doesn't matter if you're not quite doing the same thing as me. Well done. Keep marching through the gap. Ready for the next track. We're starting with a little toe tap in front for this track. Well done. Remember to pace yourself. So if you've got plenty of energy, add a bit of attitude, and a little bit of a bounce. If you're struggling and you're maybe a little bit overweight or recovering from an illness and you want to just do a gentle workout, that's fine too. Kind of take it up a bit, add some energy, but you work at your level. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it across with a kick. So soft knees, try not to snap your knees out. Now again, I'm lifting my foot off the floor, kicking across. If that's too much for you, just try and get a little bit of a across the body, keep the toe on the floor to help you balance. Go with what works for you. You want to work these muscles in your hips, really helping you balance. If you're standing on one leg, it's going to help it even more, but I don't want you falling over. Well done. Okay, go back to the toe tap. I can remember back in the 80s, spending hours in the disco just doing this. Nothing else, just tap and toe in front. Last 4, 3, and we're going to go back to that kick across or toe tap across. Keeping the elbows soft if you're throwing your hands away. Don't have to do the arms, it's what's right for you. Let's catch the beat and march, right, left, right, left. We're going to go to a side step. So step and tap. Step and bring the foot together. Now, if you've got plenty of energy, make that nice and big. Add some bicep curls for now. If that's too much, this is fine too. You've got to go with what's right for you. Catch your breath if you need to. Well done. Don't forget to have a glass of water nearby when you're working out. If you feel a bit thirsty, just walk over to your glass, have a sip, come back again. Let's change the arms. So I'm keeping my shoulders quite relaxed, but trying to lift them up about shoulder height. You need a nice clap if you want with your hands. A bit loud on the microphone, so I will keep that down. Bring it forward for 2. And back for 2. If you haven't got room for that, you just have to stay on the spot. Well done. Keep those feet moving. Catch the beat, taking it to a little side step now. So as usual, it's your choice. You can keep it really small, particularly if it's going to hurt your ankles. If your ankles are a bit weak, keep it small. If you're slightly more experienced and your ankles are nice and strong, start taking it to a side step. Well done. Your body, your workout. Think about pulling that belly in. Well done. Just play with the side arms. You slap them against your legs if you like. I'm keeping mine a bit quieter. It's nicer for you on the recording. Take it to the other side. So if you need to shift along a little bit to have some space, that's fine. And don't worry if you haven't got it, just keep those feet moving. Other side. Just face the arm this time. I'm here touching my shoulder now. Keep that arm as high as you can. Of course, if that's too much, take it lower. That's fine too. For those that want to challenge themselves, last 4, 3, 2, other side. So if that's too much for your arm, if it starts to ache, just swing it down. Well done. Aim is to get through the whole 15 minutes. And if you're finding it too easy, just make the movements a bit bigger. Add the arm movement. Let's change. Both arms if you can. But this is optional. Other side. And you start to feel any tension in your arm. Let's change sides. We're going to take an angle this time. Again, options. If you don't want to have that arm as high, keep it low here maybe. Other side. Well done. Change. 3, 2, and change. Well done. And change. Let's lose the arms for 2 and back for 2. For 2. You're doing great. Let's go for singles. A bit like a double side step, but on the off count. Hold it here and tapping into the toe. Little knee bend in between. The lower you make that bend, the harder it's going to be. You bend and tap with the toe. Lifting onto one foot, tapping the other toe. So you can keep that really small if you want. If you want it here, that's fine too. Those that want to make it harder, let's get some big arms. coming to the middle of the warm-up now, or the workout even. You should be nice and warm. Kicking the heel towards the bum. So you have a choice again. This is your heel bum, or just tapping to the side. Well done. Just kick it out. Keep moving through to the next track. Taking it to a slow side step. So keeping the feet a lot smaller, we're bringing the heart rate down. Well done. You've been working out really hard today. Just make it through to the end, finish with a stretch. Bring the feet in. Front this time with a heel dig. So I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Just sticking the heel out, sticking that heel up. But it's not big. Let the shoulders relax. Keep breathing, nice deep breaths. Catch your breath. Back to side steps. Hope you've enjoyed today's workout. We're not quite finished yet, we're still walking through, but taking our heart rate down, slowing the beat, heels in front. So I'm taking it right across in front. If that doesn't work for you, just take it out in front. You've got to work with your body. If your balance doesn't allow you to go across, or it's uncomfortable on your ankles, uncomfortable on your hips, just do whatever you need to do. So this is fine too. This is fine if you need it to be even. 4, 3, 2, back to heels, raises. If that doesn't feel right or makes you feel giddy, please just do a small side step. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel in front. Heel raises. Try and keep those hips facing me. Well done. So we're not twisting side to side or sticking the hip out. Pulling the belly in, keeping the head up, shoulders back. Pull the shoulders back. Nice and relaxed circle there. Shouldn't be tense. You're ready to march. Right, left. Or left, right, really doesn't matter. 3, 2, 1, and the heels in. 3, 2, 1, heel forward. If heel doesn't work for you, go with a toe tap. That's fine too. Keeping it small. Out of the side. 1, 2, 3 to the side. Let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give the calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in. And then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat. Watch they're both facing forward. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again sideways so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Wherever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even wherever you feel the stretch in the calf, Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Do the right leg the first time. Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both, have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. Nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me. Look down or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. Feel it where you feel you need it. Front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. Knee shouldn't be dropping in. That's what I mean by dropping in. It shouldn't be here, it should be straight forward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. That's all for today. I'm so pleased you made it to the end of the workout. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.